Today we're gonna make a cherry vanilla simple syrup. So we're gonna start with a bag of frozen pitted cherries. These have kind of sat out for a bit, so they're a little more thawed. And you're gonna place these right into your medium-sized pot. Then we're going to go in with our sugar. So for simple syrups, the ratio for your liquid to your sweetener is always gonna be 1:1. And I already have my water in here, so we're gonna do 1 cup of water. And then 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna pour all of that into our saucepan. Take a potato masher or anything that can mash up the cherries in your pot because you really want to release all of the juices that's inside the cherry. And make sure you get pitted cherries. The first time I made this syrup, I bought fresh cherries and I stood there and had to de-pit every single cherry. It was delicious, but it took a very long time. And we're just gonna mash these up a little bit, and then you're going to turn your stove on to a little higher than medium, and you wanna get a nice light simmer going. I'm going to turn the heat down and just let it simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes. And every once in a while, you're gonna mash up those cherries to just continually release the juices in there. I'm just letting it cool down a little bit, and this is when we're going to add our vanilla bean paste. I'm doing about 3 bar spoons, but normally I'll do like 1 heaping tablespoon. And then you're just gonna whisk that into the syrup. Just have another container and a strainer, and we're just going to pour it. And this will definitely get a little stuck because of all of the cherry pulp. So you just take a spoon and like push it down. And don't throw away the cherry pulp because you can use that on so many different things. You could do it on vanilla ice cream. You could do it over pancakes, French toast, bake it into a cookie. All right, and I have these little simple syrup bottles. So I'm going to put our cherry vanilla simple syrup right into here. And normally I would use a funnel to do this. I don't have one right now, so we're just gonna hope for the best. I'm a little nervous. All right, let's see how this goes. Not well. Guys, don't worry. I found a funnel. Now I'm going to double strain it just to make sure I got all of the pulp out of there. Lid on. And there you have it, cherry vanilla simple syrup.